Hello, I'm Andrew Lloyd, General Manager of SAMCO Sport in the UK. We are a premium manufacturer of silicone hose. We've been making silicone hose for over 25 years back in our head office just outside Cardiff in the UK. We make a range of silicone hose, a few samples here on the table, and really we are the world leader in this product. We are the global brand that specialises in making nothing but silicone hose for motorsport and performance OEM customers. I'll take you through just a little bit of the range of what we do and the types of parts we make. Samples here starting on the table from for example, a 4-inch to 3-inch reducing elbow hose. So this is a big bore, turbocharger type application. This is actually one of our extreme hoses, SAMCO Extreme, which is a Nomex based product suitable for applications up to about 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Very thin wall, 4 plies of reinforcing fabric, but a very thin wall, which means you get a very, very good clamping force on the hose, so it doesn't blow off at high pressure. That's one of the key features of our turbo applications, is the ability to clamp this product and make sure it doesn't blow off, which is obviously critical. We've then got transition hoses and coupler hoses. Again, we have a extreme hose here, which is a convoluted hose, which will take a huge amount of longitudinal movement through the hose. The convolution here allows for a great decoupling between the two components. Also then just a range of standard hoses. These are good for about 380 degrees Fahrenheit. These are premium quality silicone reinforced with 3 or 4 plies of polyester reinforcing fabric. In this sample we go from obviously large bore, about 3.5 inch to about 2.5 inch, and all of the range of these universal parts is available from 1/4 inch up to about 4 inch, and any steps in between that. So you can really custom plumb anything from a radiator install to a turbocharger, intercooler, using these hoses. We've got shaped hose on the desk here. We also do straight hose from either a 3-inch piece through to a 3-foot length, again 1/4 inch up to 4 and 5 inch. So again, you can really custom install anything by picking and choosing those components. We do our own stainless steel, high-grade stainless steel clips and clamps. This is a set of clamps, for example, from a Mustang GT500 V8. These clips are specially chosen to work with our product of stainless steel. They have a solid band rather than a perforated band, so you don't have any silicone oozing through the gaps in the perforated band. It has a rolled edge so it doesn't cut into the hose. And it's really that combination of using the right clamp and this premium quality thin-walled silicone hose that means you get superb clamping, which is one of the issues that sort of haunts old black rubber installations and some of the cheaper silicone hose installations, is people trying to get these clamps to seal and having problems getting a solid seal. There's no issue, again, even on the standard hose, the standard polyester hose. The reason for that is we use a very high quality silicone which has a very important physical property, which is called the compression set. When you tighten a clamp on a rubber hose or a silicone hose, any polymer, what the hose tries to do is that the rubber tries to flow away from the pressure that it's seeing from the clamp. So we have to choose a silicone which doesn't flow, that is flexible and gives us the lifelong performance of the hose, but that doesn't flow away when it sees the pressure from the clamp. And when specifying your silicone, you can choose various grades of compression set. So we choose one that has a very, very good compression set. So when you clamp this, the silicone stays where it is. It doesn't flow either side of the clamp. It stays where it is, which means you don't have the clamp relaxing from that silicone moving away. It keeps the torque that you applied on day one. It keeps that torque for the whole period of the installation, which means you get that transfer of a good seal between the inner of the silicon and the pipework. We do a range of, in addition to the universal parts, we do a range of direct replacement kits. I mentioned there the clip kit for the Mustangs. We do the hoses for the Mustang as well, which is a set of all the hoses needed to replace every hose on that car, direct copies of the OEM kit. We do that for a range of domestic vehicles, sport compact and VAG vehicles as well. And any of those kits are available with a matching clamp kit as well. All of our products come in typically black or blue. We do a variety of colours, but these are the two main colours we have here. That is what is known as SAMCO blue. But for those customers that want something a little bit different or more of a stealth look, we do the black, which is exactly the same silicon hose. You can see the construction is the same throughout. You have the layers of silicon, the white flecks here, which are the reinforcing fabric, the polyester reinforcing fabric. The outer silicon then is just cosmetic, and in this case we finish this off with black just to give you that stealth look.